Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is way to play and win, and black's pawns are going downward in this direction. This pawn specifically to be a queen on the next move. So this is the puzzle, and white now can deliver checkmate in 2 moves. White not only wins but can deliver checkmate within 2 moves. So the problem of, or the challenge of this puzzle is to deliver checkmate in 2 moves. As always, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So now we would like to move the queen to f5 and deliver checkmate on h5. That would take us 2 moves and that would solve the problem, but we can't do that actually because black would get a queen immediately, right? So now what should we do? Maybe we can play rook to g1 check, since the queen is aligned with the king. The king must move or black must push the pawn, but we can capture the queen, and yes, we are winning this absolutely, but this is not mate in 2, right? So queen to f5 generally don't work because black would get a queen. What else can we try? We can't capture this. Black would just capture back with a rook, and this is not checkmate, right? Black has escaping road of g8. Maybe we can capture this and still we are winning. Again, this is not a solution because it doesn't solve or checkmate black in 2 moves. And the only winning move, the only solution in this position is to play rook to g1. Well, by playing rook to g1, we are threatening checkmate on h5, right? So black can't actually promote because we can simply capture that, and that is going to be straightforward easy checkmate. And if black captures this, we would play queen to h5 and that would be checkmate. So what else can black try? Black now can play here king to h6, but queen to g6 is checkmate anyway, and black can hide to the corner, and you know the answer for checkmate in 1, right? Yeah, that's right, queen to h5, and that is going to be the solution of the puzzle. So that is that for today. I will see you in the next video. Bye.